Friday.
Hi guys, my name is Shanice Gracie Quatno, and this is my first vlog. Just please like and subscribe guys, because I just wanna hit 10 subscribers. That's my only wish for it. So this is gonna be my interview vlog, okay? So I'm here. So my name is Shanice Gracie Quatno, and I'm from the Philippines in the Block 18, Lot 5 main road. My grade is 3, and I'm going to school is Libertad Central Elementary
So
School.
again, hindi po ito
This is my
full
first
closure ng mga
vlog,
kalsada.
so this is only an interview.
Partial lamang
So my
po.
favorite
So
color is
madadaanan tayo
pink,
po
and
dyan.
I'm
Opo,
vegetarian.
attorney, inaasahan nga daw po
I
baka
love
beginning
it so
this
much,
after
but
lunch
I have
ay
a cough,
hanggang bukas ng
so
umaga baka matindi ho ang
just
traffic na maranasan. Magsisipaglabasan ho yung mga
English because
private
I know
vehicles na
English.
magbabiyahe.
So,
Ano
bye-bye,
ba ang
guys!
plano ho ng
Safest